Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera crashing in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, force stop camera. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera. Now here you will see force stop, and if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cam cache. Again open setting, scroll down, again click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera, scroll down, click on storage and cache, and now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset device setting, and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera crashing in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.